When it is melted completely, I drop the garlic in.
I bet he about to start
Yes,
cleaning
I
again.
am. Yes, I am. Leave me alone. Look, she's okay. She made it. She recuperated. Look at her. She's ready to clean.
I ain't paying him no mind. Ha! You got burned again.
And you know what's crazy? You can't eat it either, you little Rugrat voice in the background. You need to stop and leave me alone. Hey guys, guess what? It's taste test. I told you, this is not a fluke, okay? We have to try this and experiment other people. I can't be the only one, okay? So, let me see. Taste test, guys. Oh, man! Yeah, man, she was fire.
It's like five-star restaurant shit right here, bro.
For real? You like it for real, my friend?
Oh, this is great.
Thank you. You know we're recording, right?
Yeah, it's the facts though, bro. This is like,
Yeah.
you gotta go to Joe Stone Crab to get quality like this.
Joe Stone's crabs. Hey, I remember Joe Stone's crabs is fire. Yeah, guys, we really do this, man. We really do this, man. Look at that finger licking everything, man. Finger licking and everything. Yeah.